When your leads don't respond to your outreach at all, are they bad leads or are they just having a bad day? Hi everyone, this is Michael from Prepare, and today I'll discuss 4 major reasons your leads aren't responding to your outreach at all and how to fix it. If your sales relies on customer interactions, you're probably generating a lot of leads from different sources and trying to convert them into paying customers. Unfortunately, even if you are generating quality leads, sometimes you may see yourself in a situation where your leads don't reply at all. So you may wonder, have you been generating bad leads or is your approach bad? Well, here are 4 key reasons why your leads might not be engaging with you. Plus 4 pro tips to overcome these challenges. Reason 1. You are using the wrong communication channels for your first outreach. There are many ways to contact your leads. Phone calls, emails, and messaging apps like SMS, WhatsApp, iMessage, and Telegram. But some channels are better than others at getting your prospects to reply. It is an important choice to make because the right communication channels will help you get more replies. The recent trend we are seeing in B2C communication is that people are far more responsive to a text message than an email or a phone call. That's simply because text messages are convenient and less intrusive. Many people avoid responding to calls from an unknown number, and people don't respond to emails although they read them. Even in the case of text messaging, people are more likely to respond to messages on messaging apps like WhatsApp rather than SMS. Here's how to fix it. Try messaging your leads instead of calling or emailing them, and choose the right channel to do so. Generally, the best place to start is finding out the most popular messaging app in your country and then using it to communicate with your leads. Your leads should feel like it's convenient to get in touch with you, and they'll be more likely to reply and discuss business with you. Reason number 2. Your message looks like a scam or spam. If you see a message that looks like a scam or spam, are you going to read it? So why do you expect a lead to do the same thing? Most people read their messages from their notifications, so they'll only see a part of your message from the preview. If your leads can't immediately identify why you are messaging them from the short preview, you are likely not going to get their attention. They'll just ignore your text, just like they would with every other generic or spammy messages they receive every day. So how to fix it? Give context in the first 10 words of your message so that leads want to read the rest of it and reply. Rule of thumb is to include their name and the product or service they expressed interest in. We have an entire article on how to message your leads so that they actually reply to you. I'll leave the link in the description. Reason number 3. You are reaching out to your leads at the wrong time. Would you respond to a random message or a call when you are super occupied? Most probably not. These are the moments when people have bigger priorities to focus on, such as their jobs, family and friends, doctor's appointment, etc. But since you are not a mind reader, how are you supposed to figure out the best time to contact your leads? The answer is simple. It all boils down to how quickly you are contacting them, so you don't have to guess what their active times are. The best time to reach out is immediately after they have submitted interest in your product or service. Try to reach out to your leads within 15 minutes of them submitting their contact details. They're likely still scrolling their social media and free after filling out your form, at least for the next 15 minutes. This rule works best for WhatsApp or text messages. Reason number 4. Your message is too difficult to read and respond to quickly. When a lead reads your message but doesn't reply, the issue could be the message itself. You might just have included too much content in one message, or you have asked questions that your prospects find difficult to answer, especially if they are still in their "I'm just shopping around" phase. If they are unable to respond to your message immediately, they'll just put your message away for later and then forget about it. So how to fix it? Your leads should read and reply to your message within 10 seconds. If it takes more than that, your leads will likely go cold. It might give you the impression that they are a bad lead when they are just too busy to review your message and reply. If you want to find out whether your message is easy to respond to, I recommend you read our article on the 10-second rule of messaging. I'll leave the link in the description. And this concludes 4 reasons why your leads aren't replying. I hope it helps you refine your approaching in reaching out to your leads and converting them. For more videos like this and sales tips for small businesses, subscribe to our channel. And like or leave a comment on this video to let us know how you get your leads to reply to your messages. Take care.